Hello children,
How are you all? I hope you are fine and you are enjoying this drawing. So, you must have understood what we are going to make today? Yes, very good children. So, today we will learn how to create some new artwork from number 9. So, let's start. First of all, we will write number 9. You have to use maximum curve lines. Okay, children? Now we will start coloring. Here we are using both colors red and orange. Sit properly, okay children? Very good. Like this. You have to fill the same colors here. Here red color will give wings and a tail yellow color. Here both colors. Like this. Now we will take brown color. Well, give brown colors to lake. Like this children. I hope you are enjoying this drawing. Bye children. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.